Hello. Finally Friday, yeah? Today we have a job. If When I remember, this laptop was around 1 month ago. And for some reason, because I don't remember, that's the thing. So diagnose the thing, you order the chip, so we order the Super IO. The chip arrived, yeah, after 1 month, and I don't remember why I said it's the chip. So actually you have to diagnose again the problem, yeah? So this is what laptop is this? It's a nice one. Okay. This is a Asus VivoBook. Yeah. So that's the. So look, how this laptop is here from 21 January. Just to have in mind how long it's taking from to a ship from China to arrive here. Sometimes like 1 week, 2 weeks, but sometimes it's longer. This is a nice one. We have AMD Ryzen 5 Radeon Vega graphics. Vega same like on the MacBooks, yeah? Yeah, yeah. So this is a nice laptop. This is probably it's a top one. Like, look at the screen. The screen is proper slim. This is nice. So we have to fix this. The problem is, I don't have the charger. But even with the power supply, it's taking no power. The problem, I charged the battery a little bit before starting the video, but still nothing. I can't even charge it. I can't charge it anymore. Let's come with 19 here. And now, yeah, now it's charging 2.4 amps. We charge the battery a little bit. I couldn't find the 3.3 volts. And on that point I start the video. If I diagnose this laptop wrong, I think you know, it's something what you can learn. So don't do it the same. Because I have no clue and no idea why nearly 2 months ago I said, you know what, is the Super IO, and we ordered the Super IO. We'll see. Let's check the battery together, yeah? So the battery has 7.1 volts. So I should have 7.1 on any of these capacitors, and I do have, you see, 7.1. So this is the 19 volts power rail, but if you don't have 19, it will be the battery voltage here. 7.1. The problem is I should have 3.3 on the Super IO. Oh, I do have 3.2. In that case, we have a problem. Yeah. Yeah. So that's the Super IO. It's a weird chip. I couldn't find it on online. ITE. No, it's ITE chip. IT A225E. So it's kind of tricky because it's not much what you can check. And if it's not working, you have 3.3. You have a high chance like this chip to be dead. We have 3.2 on this pad, and I can't see any BIOS battery around, so probably this is the 3.3 volts power rail. Let's see another capacitor. Yeah, check on the multimeter, 3.2. So around the chip we do have our 3.3 volts power rail, but still the chip is not starting. Let's try to start the laptop, yeah? So we have 19. The problem is not charging, it's no light, nothing, it's just dead. Ground here, plus here, and it is taking, look, around 10 milliamps. Not anymore. Pressing the power button, which is on keyboard, and nothing happened. I can't see any current and it's not charging. What can I say more, you know? I think that chip is dead. Yeah, that's the reason why I ordered the chip. Okay, let's replace that chip quickly. Yeah. I don't know what to check. I checked the 5 volts power rail is fine. What should I check more? Based on the fact we have no schematic. Yeah. I will say let's replace that chip and see if it's working. It's no point wasting time. Even if we replace that chip and we fail, we still can search after that more. But at the moment, it's a high probability that chip to be dead. That's all, there's not even point to take the board out. This should be easy. Yeah. Let's take the nozzle out. Let's go under the microscope. Let's take the chip out. 500 degrees. Box air max temperature. Should be something quick. The battery is unplugged, it is. So the chip is out, yeah? Let's come with the new chip. The new chip is here. That's the new one. Yeah, that's the chip. It's like 1 minute job. Quickly. Chip is back. Let's solder the chip. Let's try the quick way to do this job. If we can, maybe we can't do it. Well, let's try to do it quick, yeah? So what do we need? We need this chip to be on his place. Yeah, let's try now to solder a few pins if we can. Let's see if we can solder some pins. Okay, that was a bad idea. Let's try one more time. Okay, now we can solder the chip. Let me grab a nozzle for the hot air. Okay. Yeah, I know we have a bridge there. That's fine here. And it's fine here. Yeah? Okay, let's see about the problems. What problems do we have now? So we have a bridge here. Yeah? Let's sort that bridge first. Yeah, so it's no bridge anymore. What do we have more? Those pins are fine. That one is fine. Everything is fine. Let's test it. Let's see if it's working. Let's see, this laptop is alive or not. Still hot. We should be fine. Maybe not. Let's plug the battery. Let's see if it's charging. Let's go with the power supply. No, it's not charging. Oh boy, it's coming on. No. Good. Good. That's not bad. Pressing the power button. Nothing happened. Cool. Cool. .3 present. .3.2 on the keyboard, which is fine. Okay. Diode mode. Well, this is another fail. This is not short. This is not short. This is the processor, so it's normal to be like that. This is graphics. Okay, this is 0. Well, even the processor has like 5 ohms. 0 is not a good value. Let's check one more time. .4. So even the processor has, check that, yeah, 2.3 ohms. Okay, let's say 2.2 ohms, yeah. But this coil, which probably is the graphics, I'm not sure, has like 0.3. This is way too low. It's way too low. Alright, Lorinas. So, do we have a graphic shortage here? What do you think? But I don't understand why I am checking only now these things. Why I didn't check before I ordered the chip? Why? What? Wait. There is no graphics. This laptop is a scam. I don't understand. So you're supposed to have this chip, Radeon Vega graphics. I can't see. What's wrong with my camera? Radeon Vega graphics. So I understand AMD Ryzen 5, the processor, but should be with graphics. There's no graphics here. This make me believe it's a graphic chip there, but it's not. What kind of scam is this? Wow. Wow. Actually, it's good because the graphic chip is not shorted. Because it's no graphic chip. Probably the graphic is integrated on the processor. But still, I have a shorter, and that's not good. So these are power supply, so I have no idea why we have this power supply, what they are doing there. Let's come with some current, yeah? Low. Let's see what's going on there, yeah? 0.9. With 1 volt we cannot burn anything. Even the processor, you can't burn it with 1 volt. What a fail. Why I didn't check before? Why I'm checking only now these things? And it's taking 2.4 amps because that's the limit. Resistance, very low resistance. Let's go with the current up. Yeah, that's the max current, 2.5 amps. Let's see what is getting hot. The processor is not getting hot, that's good. That's good. RAM memory not. I can take out the RAM. Same story. Let's get out the screen. It's still short, 2.6. 2.6 amps. The coil is getting hot, that means the short is on the other side of the power supply, so cannot be the MOSFET. Pay attention, yeah? When you check the power supply, you can come with the current here, or here, before the coil. You have to see on which side the coil is getting hot. If I put the power supply here and the coil is getting hot, that means my current goes to ground through one of the MOSFET, yeah? And it's not. It's getting hot when I'm using the power supply here. That means my short is on the other side of the coil, yeah? So my short is somewhere part of the circuit, not of the power supply. It's just a small trick. How can I fail like in the last time? I failed like so many times. Why I didn't check before ordering the chip, like 1 month ago, 2 months ago? Why I'm checking these things only now? The thing is, I don't know what this power supply is doing. I have no idea. Or even this power supply, I don't know what it's doing, but this is not shorted. This one is shorted. Let's raise the voltage just a bit. Let's just go high with the current, 2.8 amps. That's good, it's not the processor. But what it is? It's not the 5 volts, we gotta check the 5 volts. It's not a 5 volts. Yeah, the coil is getting hot. And on this side, let's see, on this side 1.2, on this side same 1.2 volts. Oh, because there's no current limit. Okay, sorry. Okay, now 3.7. No, the voltage. Yeah, the voltage 1.5, and here 1.4. Yeah. Something here badly. I think it's on the other side of the board. We have to take the board out. I'm not sure, but we do have to take the board out. Yeah, the masks. Yeah, okay, that's good. That's good. So the mask arrives. We have the gloves. Probably from the next week we'll start wearing them. The things go very bad. So I sent Anna in the morning. Huh? I sent her to Morrison to make shopping, and 7 o'clock in the morning the Morrison shop was like full. 7 o'clock in the morning. It's a madness. Everyone is buying. It's a madness outside. So I don't understand what is going on, but it's nothing good. From what I've read online, the people dying, actually they are more on Italy compared with China, which is quite bad. That's from what I read online, because they said the medical system on Italy is like the second place on the earth. So I don't know. That's what they are saying. They still have problems. And obviously all the sad story, actually the army carrying the bodies on different cities because they can't have space to burn them anymore. Proper bad. I still don't get it. How do we got here? Yeah, it's 220, 220. Just, arrest each scientist and put them all together on a room and let them to work. Because right now every country is doing their own research, which is not good. They should be all together on the same room from all over the world. That's how the things should work. 220. Maybe then we can have like a vaccine, or I don't know. But you have to put them all together. Yeah. That's Probably they share the information, but I think if they are all together, probably will work more efficient. It's not the competitivity spirit. Board looks nice, even on this side. Okay, let's check again. I think, you know what? Maybe the earth decide it's time to pay for whatever we're doing wrong. We are behaving very bad with this planet, you know. Let's see. Let's see. So coming with the current here, we do have a MOSFET on this side. So we have two MOSFETs here. We do have one MOSFET here which I don't know what he's doing, but we can find out. Let's see, so this is the power supply, that's ground. Let's see, plus here. Let's see if this is getting hot. No. No, it's not getting hot, there's nothing getting hot here. Is here something here is getting hot. And I think, let's have a look together, yeah? So the short is on this side, we already... So it's coming here to this MOSFET, and from this MOSFET it's going to something else. I believe this is getting hot. Let me try again, yeah? Ground. Let's see. Here. Can't really feel anything. Where is the petrol? Where is my petrol? Lighter petrol, yeah, it's not car petrol. Let's see, maybe we can set up this board on fire so we don't have to fix it anymore. Wow, what's that? Wait, what? That thingy. What do you think about that? I don't know what is that. That looks like a resistor. If it's a capacitor, it's a very bad capacitor because it's black. Has a capacitor on the parallel mode, but I'm really sorry, this looks like a resistor. What this power rail is doing? This is coming here, it's coming to this MOSFET, it's coming to this, whatever it is, and it's going where? Let's try a trick here. A trick, we are getting down this resistor and we are checking where this power rail is going, because we have to find out. Maybe this indeed is a resistor. I can't see the point, but anyway, who knows? Because I can't see the point why you will put two capacitors there. So let's check let's take the multimeter, my beeping one. And let's try to find. Now it's not short anymore, it's not. Let's see where it's going. It's not going here. Yeah, it is going here. You can hear the beep. You can't hear the beep. So this will be some 3.3 volts for the Wi-Fi. Let's check with this one, yeah. So this track, yeah, check on the multimeter. It's going here. You can see 0, 0. So yeah, that's a capacitor and it's shorted, and we just remove the short. Okay. Now it's not short anymore. Hopefully the board will start. Okay, that ribbon cable, which has to be here. I still don't get it. Why saying has graphics, Vega graphics, if there is no graphic chip? What's the point to put a sticker there? That's the thing. You see the laptop is not coming on. You see you have 3.3 and say, yeah, it's the Super I/O because, you know, inside of the Super I/O you have few thousand transistors. And obviously you suppose one probably failed, and that's the reason why it's not working. It's funny. Usually I do check the things properly, but probably was a busy time, or who knows why I didn't check. The battery is connected. Power supply 19 volts. It is charging. Yes, 1 amp. You can see. Check on the power supply on the screen. 1 amp. 2 amps. You can see 2 amps. 2 amps. So it is charging. Let's see if it's coming on. We should put the heatsink back. So the laptop it is charging now. Okay, give me 1 second. Okay. The heatsink is back. Let's see if it's coming on. It's not. The battery is too low or what? Let's go with the power supply. Minus. Plus. It is charging. Press the power button and it's working. Wait. I just stop it. Yeah. So that was the issue, and also we replace on the right way the Super IO, because otherwise it will not come on. So even this old Super IO probably is good. The battery is low. Okay, I got it. I got it now. But this is a nice laptop. Oh, I forgot to put the foil. Ah, I have to open again. This from the back of the board. Yeah, I'll open again. Let's check one more time. Ground. Plus. And it's charging fine. 2 amps is perfect. It's even too much. Okay, so it's working great. Yeah, the problem was that shorted capacitor, which I haven't checked from the beginning. That's the problem. I said, okay, I have 3.3, it's not coming on, so must be the Super IO, and that's the reason why we ordered the Super IO 2 months ago. Now the Super IO arrived, we replaced the Super IO, and the laptop is still not working. It's still charging, probably goes on standby. Let's see what it's doing. Probably goes on standby. Yeah, the keyboard is working. But the battery is low. I should charge the battery more. 2 amps. Yeah, it is holding the charge, but just a little bit. Yeah, it goes off. It's off again. And the LED from the low battery is flickering. It's still loading. It is still working. We have a red, like the low battery sign there. Mouse is working. Power. Shut down. And now it's down. So just keep in mind, don't do same mistakes as I'm doing. Yeah. So we do replace that chip. If I can still find the chip, yeah. If it's not on the disk, it's under the disk, like usual. That's the chip. Probably this is good. I'll still keep this this IT chip because it's still good. Okay. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video, and see you on the next one. Yeah. Bye.